Book 4B, Chapter 10. More about trigonometry. In this chapter, we go back to have a look at trigonometry. In this one, in junior form, you have learned something about trigonometry. Do you remember? Let's have a look. This one is a right angular triangle. And before you've learned this related to three functions. One is a sine theta, one is cosine theta, and one is tangent theta. And about these three kinds of functions, trigo functions, let's see in a right angle triangles, what are the names of three sides? Do you remember? This is theta, and opposite to the theta, this one is the opposite sine. And near to theta, this one we say that is the adjacent sine. And the last one, opposite to the right angle. Is the hypotenuse. Okay? 對邊、鄰邊、斜邊. So, do you remember these three functions? About sine, that means the opposite side over adjacent hypotenuse. The opposite side over hypotenuse. Okay? And cosine theta is the adjacent side over hypotenuse. Okay? That means this one adjacent side over hypotenuse. This one is the opposite side over hypotenuse. You see that these two also over hypotenuse. Okay? And last time I told you to have a look. Cosine C, that means this one. So link up with adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Remember? Yeah. So lastly, about tangent. Tangent is opposite side over adjacent side. Opposite over adjacent. Okay? So you may link up with this one. Opposite side, adjacent side. This one is the opposite side, adjacent side. Okay? So T can help you to remember. Opposite side to adjacent side. Opposite over adjacent. So remember to memorize these three functions, okay? And it can help you study this chapter. Besides, let's see some trigonometric identities. For any acute angle, see, tangent theta equals to sine theta over cosine theta. This is the first one. Another four identities. Sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Yeah. And the other three actually related to sine, cosine, and tangent with 90 degrees minus theta. That means this one. Okay? So sine 90 degrees minus theta is the cosine theta. Cosine 90 degrees minus theta equals to sine theta. And tangent 90 degrees minus theta equals to 1 over tangent theta. Okay, let's see. I want to talk about these three relations. Okay, these three relations. Maybe this one I said it be okay. A, B, and C. Okay. Okay, I link up with this one. Maybe this one is A, this one is C, and this one as b. Okay, so can you tell me what is sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta? Let's see. Yeah, sine theta is a over b, correct? A over b. How about cosine theta? Cosine, that means link up these two. Yeah, correct. C over b. How about tangent theta? Tangent theta. Tangent theta, yeah, A over C. A over, oh, sorry, A over C, yeah, correct. A over C. Then let's see. How about sine 90 degrees minus theta? Sine 90 degrees minus theta, okay, opposite. That means C over hypotenuse B. So this one cosine theta. How about cosine 90 degrees minus theta? Cosine 90 degrees minus theta. So this one, okay, about this 2. So A over B. A over B, that means sine theta, right? A over B. Yeah. How about the last one? Tangent 90 degrees minus theta. This one, okay, opposite side is C, and then adjacent side is A. Therefore, this one, yeah, 1 over tangent theta. See? These three relations, now I showed you already. Okay, let's start to have a look. 2 examples here. 10.08. Let's see. Simplify the following. Here, cosine theta over tangent theta plus sine theta. Do you remember how to do this kind of question? Yeah, cosine theta divided by tangent theta plus sine theta. And you will see that tangent theta, we can change it as sine over cosine. Right. So rewrite it. It becomes cosine theta times cosine theta over sine theta. So this one cosine square theta over sine theta. And here is sine theta, right? If I write link up with a fraction in the front, then sine theta, sine square theta, right? So at the end, cosine square theta plus sine square theta over sine theta. So at the end, this one is 1 over sine theta, right? Good. Part B. Part B. Let's copy the question. 1 plus sine theta, and then times 1 minus cosine 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, let's see. This one, how to do it? Yeah, this one, 1 plus sine theta. And here, 90 degrees minus theta equals to what? Yeah, sine theta, correct. And this one, A plus B, A plus B, A minus B. Remember, A plus B, A minus B equals to what? Yeah, A square minus B square, correct. So, A square minus B square. And 1 minus sine square theta equals to what? Remember this one? Cosine square theta plus sine square theta equals to 1. So 1 minus sine square theta equals to cosine square theta, right? So this is the answer. Okay?